Hello, everyone. You will be glad to know that the Asia Pacific Institute of Advanced Research, APIAR, Australia, has organized the 4th International Conference on Theory and Practice, ICTP-2017, in Adelaide, South Australia. This is going to be held on the 9th and 10th of February 2018. Academics from different countries are expected to participate in this conference. The abstract submission date has been extended until 29/12/2017. I am repeating that the abstract submission date has been extended until 29/12/2017. We are calling for papers and abstracts within the area of business, social sciences, education, and ICT. There will be 4 best paper winners from 4 different subject areas. Best paper winners will also be considered for further scholarships. All accepted papers will be published free of cost in our 2 online journals. For further information, visit our website, www.apiar.org.au, or you can send us an email to info@apiar.org.au. We are looking forward to seeing you all in Adelaide in our conference. Thank you all and have a great day.